back in the hood. LA lyricist, nigga. They call you too white or too bougie if you go in school. You know? They want us dead or in prison, a head in collision, a skeleton instead of us living with both the Mexican niggas. The melanin in us embedded up in us. Instead of listen races against us, the medicine killers. They want a man on a mission, man with a vision. It's winning fed a felon in prison. Well, I'm misevident, I guess that I'm different. It's just beginning, I'm driven, living well with millions. Tell them I said that I'm killing, put me in hell or in prison. Black people, Latinos, half legal, stack people, have people like that to teach black beetles. Even if you blood cousins, you a blood and he a cousin, you dump dozen slugs till his lungs budding. Cop brutality and SoCal's reality. So foul Cali beat, no spouse to house. Actually, no dad and family, just pimps and hoes, liquor stove. If a bitch nigga don't figure roll, slit his throat. Yo, now I'm a college nigga. Now I'm a college nigga. Yo, now I'm a college nigga. Said I'm a college nigga. It's like no matter where I go, I'm out of place. I'm just trying to find a way. Gotta get away. Is he white? Is he black? Is he different? He the same. He too black, he too white. Just the price of being great. Hey, now I'm in college and it's supposed to be different. The literate literally ain't supposed to be ignorant. It's Caucasian, small Asians, tall places, hard made it, but all I saw was jaws falling in the paw faces. Thinking affirmative act is why I burn black and learn facts, earn plaques, deserve that, and turn back and ask if I'm on the football team. No books I read. Well, look at me, you see I'm what they would call lean. I'm tall and skinny, so why you asking? My accent, my fashion, my passion, or the fact that I have black skin? This taught me no matter how much you get bigger, rich or poor, thick or thin, you always gonna be a nigga. It's a shame we still slave, look at massive incarceration. Labor away for days with a habit of starving patient. It's a trap rappers chat on tracks, said it's okay to slang gang bang to get fat paid with chains. Well, hey, yo, I'm just a college nigga. Yo, I'm just a college nigga. Yo, guess I'm a college nigga. Yo, I'm just a college nigga. It's like no matter where I go, I'm out of place. I'm just trying to find a way. Gotta get away. Is he white? Is he black? Is he different? He the same. He too black, he too white. Just the price of being great. Hey, yo, I'm just a college nigga. Yo, said I'm a college nigga. I'm just a college nigga. Yo, guess I'm a college nigga. It's like no matter where I go, I'm out of place. I'm just trying to find a way. Gotta get away. Is he white? Is he black? Is he different? He the same. He too black, he too white. Just the price of being great. Hey, they say no matter where you go, you still a nigga, no matter what you do. So I'ma give him that nigga. I'ma get that degree. You see, back in the hood, it was about the color of your shirt and shit. But in college, it's the color of your skin, which is worse because it's permanent, you know. So I'ma give him that nigga.